Hi guys, I'm David and this is Jeanette. Together we are Low Range 4x4 Adventures. For the last few years we have been doing some epic trips to amazing locations across Australia. Subscribe and like our videos and hit the notification bell to join us on our adventures. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.
Hey guys, so we've just left Mackay after visiting Vivi, our friend, and we're now heading west out of Mackay up the Eaton Range. So we're setting out here now and we are going to go a different way back to Charters Towers. Instead of going up the Bruce Highway and out the Flinders Highway, we're going to go out through here to Nebo and then north to Glendon, or north to Elphinstone, across to Mt Coolan, and then either up through Bowen River and the Burdekin Dam area, or just out to the Valyando and up Valyando Road towards Charters Towers.
There's heaps and heaps of roadworks between Mackay and Townsville at the moment, so you're like 80, 60, 80, 60, so yeah, we thought we'd give this a try and yeah, hopefully it's a bit quicker to get home. Guys, so we've made a bit of a plan. We're going to go, where are we going to go? Head towards Collinsville and Glenville, but do we go through either of them?
Heading to where?
I don't know. Okay, stop.
Collinsville and Glenvale. There's nowhere like that out here.
I said Glenville.
Glenville. Collinsville and Glenville. Yeah. So we just... Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't drive.
Blah, 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 blah.
Alright, so this is the junction at Nebo, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've just turned right at the Nebo junction and we want to try and get back to Charters by 7. So hopefully all goes well. Because we're going to go and see Nathan Griggs tonight, the whip guy, at the caravan park. I think the Oasis Caravan Park in Charters Towers. We saw him a couple of years ago in Mataranga. He puts on a great show. He's really good to watch. So hopefully we'll catch up with him again tonight too.
Yeah, sounds good. So we're going to go from here through up this road, turn left at Lake Elphinstone, and then make our way towards Mt Coolan. I'm just going to double check when we get to Mt Coolan whether we can go up the road from Mt Coolan to Burdekin Falls Dam and cross the spillway and then head up the road past Ravenswood, back to the Flinders Highway at Mingala, and then on into Charters Towers. So
yeah, homebound.
So it should be fun.
Yeah, something different.
Yeah, a bit of dirt road, a bit of fun, so we'll bit better than boring old roadworks and Bruce Highway, which is probably a worse road than this road anyway.
Yeah, I think so.
Passing Lake Elphinstone, and it's actually dead dry. People normally come out here and go skiing and stuff, but there is not one single drop of water in the dam, Lake Elphinstone. It's quite interesting. Never seen it like that before. This looks like there's some pretty good amenities here. Nice big camping area here, quite a few people hanging out here at the moment. So I just hit the dirt on the Sutter Development Road. So between Burton, the old Burton coal mine, and Mt Coolan, it's all dirt. It's a little bit rough, it's not too bad, but pick the right speed and keep an eye on the tyre pressure, etc. And it's alright to just sort of cruise along at whatever you're comfortable at.
Okay guys, so we just pulled up because as I was driving along, I kind of noticed the shovel was hanging down yeah, it was sort of flapping around there in the breeze a bit. So looks like the bolts have come out.
Oh, the brackets.
Oh, the brackets. So I lost the brackets.
The brackets are there, just the bolts have come out. So
This
first time it's happened in 6 years, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, we've been over a lot of corrugations too, so...
I'll just put a ratchet strap around it until I can sort it out.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Problem solved.
Okay.
Temporarily.
Yeah. Something else to fix. Alright.
Never ending for driving. Fixing shit.
Alright, we'll get back on the road. Hey guys, so we just come into Mt Coolan. So this is an old gold mining town, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, there's still a chimney here, there's a pub. So yeah, we've been here before. We had a bit of a look around a few years ago. So just swing past the chimney. So yeah, I think there's a bit of few bits and pieces lying around in the grass over there from when we were last here, but yeah, we're going to keep on going. So as we come into town, we would turn left and head towards Burdekin Dam, but so there's all mining camps set up here. They are building the railway through. So we're heading towards Burdekin Dam?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just saw the sign. It's 222 kilometres from Nebo to Mt Coolan. A bit of an idea how far across it is there. The dirt road was pretty rough, but it's normally like that.
Yeah.
If you ever come across it, it's been good.
Still an easy road to drive though. Sit on 80 k's an hour most of the time. Police Creek.
It's a cute little bridge.
Causeway.
Causeway. Stand corrected.
Out here.
Another dry creek crossing. We've been through a couple of rivers and a few creeks, and it's very dry out here, but the cattle are nice and fat, so the road's pretty good condition, eh?
Yeah, it's like a fair chunk of it was freshly graded and rolled, which was really nice, and then there's even this bit's pretty good nick. Like, just got to be a little bit careful of some of the dips. They're quite sharp, so, but yeah, overall,
yeah, so it's probably been like a much more fun drive than doing the Bruce Highway and, you know, trying to overtake and being stuck in school holiday traffic and stuff like that. So it's pretty, enjoying it.
yeah, nice country.
Yeah. I think there's a road across there to where it is.
Yeah, that road goes that way and then back over and joins this road, so it'll be the same.
Okay, so just got out of the car and could hear a hissing sound. Looks like we got a leak. Dave's gonna be changing a tire. like we're moving. Okay, so we're just going to plug it, see how that goes, and see how far we get. Hopefully get all the way home and get it repaired.
Okay, for anyone who hasn't done this before, plug repair kit, reamer. This thing pushes the little sticky tabs in, so I'll show you how to do it. So you can see here, there's just the slightest little hole, so I'll just stick the reamer in and out a couple of times, like so. It just makes it like a bit easier to get that thing through, so the hole's a bit bigger.
So now it's going down really fast.
Grab one of these sticky, hairy, furry things, stick him through the hole, like so. Sometimes it's a bit easier just to grab the pair of long nose pliers that are in there. And okay, so you just obviously got to pull this thing through. Just pull it through about halfway with the pliers. And just come around here now. See the tyre's going down quite fast now, guys. So
we did have to change a Canberra battery in the middle of this.
So you can see wherever my hole is, there's my hole. You just push the plug in. If Nelly could just hold this here. Just push the plug in like so. And then just pull that out. Tyre fixed.
Just need some air.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so while Dave sorts his compressor out and pumps up the tyre, we might go for a walk along the dam wall, get a couple of photos. I mean, everyone's seen a tyre get pumped up before. It's, yeah.
Very exciting.
Not very exciting. Let's go and look at some cool stuff.